Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make beautiful hairbands in two ways. So let's get started. So guys, our first hairband is bow hairband. To make this hairband you will need hairband, bow and ribbon. First take a hairband and cover it with ribbon. Now take a bow and stick it on the hairband using hot glue or any other glue that you have. Guys, our first hairband is ready. Now let's move it into next hairband. So our second hairband is not hairband. To make this hairband, you will need hairband and cloth. First, take a rectangular piece of cloth and then fold it into half. Now make a knot on the center of the hairband. Guys, our boat the hairband is ready. If you like this video, hit like, and if you want more such video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Bye bye. Stay tuned for next video.